And this is the first of my David Austin roses to bloom. And I purchased them online at the David Austin website. And this is Princess Alexandria of Kent. And she has been in the ground, or in the pot actually, for about a month and a half. I received her, I think it was March 9th, and it's April 29th. So I was really excited to see the first buds on her. And I had purchased 5 of the roses, 5 different kinds to test the David Austin roses. And this one was recommended for a pot. So I planted her in this pot. And I'll put on the screen how wide that pot is, the diameter of the pot, so that you can see. And I was really impressed with this rose. First of all, the bare roots were, plentiful. And then there was some nice, really great stalk. Let me see if I can get in here to show you. Mature stalk. And the grafting, I think it was grafted. But all of the stalk, and since it was bare root, I could really see it good. I didn't take a picture of it. I don't think I have a picture. If I do, I'll put it up. But all of it seemed to be nice, thicker than pencil. At least 3 of them thicker than pencil. And then 2 more others. Or I think this one had 4. 4 main, nice, thick stalks. 3 of them were thicker than pencil, and then 1 was about a pencil thickness. So I was really impressed with the quality of the rose. When I went to my box stores and local garden centers, all of them, I went to 4. And none of the roses looked really great. Home Depot did have some nice painter's selection roses, which I thought were kind of cool. So I bought one of those, and those look pretty healthy. But all the rest, even for our area, it's like Nelson or Fortuniana, anything with the Fortuniana rootstock, they all looked pretty skinny and scrawny and not very old. So these looked like well-established plants. And like I said, I can't believe how beautiful the flower is. And again, this one is the Princess Alexandria of Kent. And she has a light, kind of standard rose smell, but not that overwhelming, like artificial, yucky rose smell. Just a real pretty smell. And the smell seems to appear and linger after it fully opens. But this is my first blooms, and I'm really happy with her. Now, as I walk away, I can smell her about 4 feet away. So it has that beautiful light smell in the air, and I can just imagine once this gets bigger and it has lots of blooms on it at the same time, it's going to smell just absolutely amazing. So I can't wait. And I couldn't resist but bring them in, so I cut them up and stuck them in a vase so I can enjoy them all the time. And you can see the one on the right, that's a little bit older. It's about a day and a half older when it opened, and so it's starting to fade out a little, but they're an unusual color where it starts out that pinky peach, which I absolutely love, that gorgeous color, and then it goes into that lighter pink. But you can see in the center of the one on the right, the petals are still a little bit peachy pink, which I love because it's a light, not screaming at you color, and I love it. I moved some petals a little bit on this one so you can see what it looks like on the inside center. I moved some petals over a little bit so you could see it. really, really pretty.